My name is Dodie Lunda, and I grew up in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. And we are in Hoonah, Alaska at Icy Strait Point. When I first came here in 2006, my Tlingit auntie was the human resource director. And the gentleman that was doing the program had quit, and it was in August, and Auntie Frida came and she said, "Dodie, we need somebody who can fillet fish and talk too." So I wasn't sure whether it was a compliment or what, but I came and I loved it, and I've been here ever since. Okay, you get quite a bit of dip. You're gonna get this much out of one can. So you do get quite a bit. When I'm entertaining, I have I call it a relish tray, and it's just raw cut vegetables. So when I serve that, I serve it with this dip. We are going to learn some basics about the salmon, and we are going to make some dishes with canned sockeye salmon. We're going to make a dip. We are going to make a salmon burger. And if you live in the Midwest, like we grew up, it is a salmon patty. But we're also going to learn some about the halibut. And I am going to make a halibut dish for you. Every year it kind of changes, so I can't tell you exactly. That's my surprise dish. And then I fillet a halibut, and we give you fresh pieces of salmon and fresh pieces of halibut. And then we go out to the barbecue grill outside, and we're gonna cook those pieces of fish on an alderwood fire. Really good in a Bloody Mary. Yeah, you're entertaining and you're gonna serve Bloody Marys. Put a little shot of that salmon juice in those. You'd be surprised at the flavor. We're gonna put the juice of half a lemon in this one. Doesn't require a lot of salt when we're working with it. So I have a little less than a half a teaspoon for this dish. Panko is a Japanese style breading. If you can't find panko, you can use breadcrumbs, cracker crumbs. I used to use cereal. My kids would never eat the last bowl in the box, and I would throw it away. So I use Cheerios, Rice Krispies, Corn Flakes, Wheaties. Don't use Fruit Loops, it won't go well. All right? But if you have people in your world who are gluten intolerant, I have used leftover cooked oatmeal, red beans, black beans, so it's a pretty quick dinner. We're gonna use basil today. I'm gonna smush this one. I'm all about smushing. You're welcome. Since I started in 2006, we've had 25,000 people come through this class. There are days where we have 2 ships a day, but one will come in at 7 in the morning and leave at 3. The other will come in at 3:30 in the afternoon and leave at 10. But the normal day is from 7 to 6. And if you freeze this on your fish and later cook with it still on your fish after it's been frozen, it's gonna make your dish taste fishy. So trim the fat off. We all go on a vacation when the season's over to take a little break, but we pretty much, all of us live here year round. We have almost 800 residents. This is a full-time job. We had 107 ships this year. So it's pretty much every day all summer long. I mean, we started out way back when in 2004 with 63 ships. So it is double. In the wintertime, we average about 20 degrees. Summertime is about 65 degrees. This year was unusually hot, so we got up close to 90 degrees this year. And you know, everybody who has ever cooked salmon has seen that liquid that comes out of the sides of the fish. Yeah, that's showing you it's cooking internally. And that's a good indication that it's done. Halibut, when it's cooking, once you've turned it over, you give it a push, let your spatula rest there. If you see water pool along the edge of your spatula, it's telling you it's done. They sweat. I want them to know a little about our culture here. I try to give a little bit about the Tlingit culture. Mary talks a little bit about the Tlingit culture, the culture of my world. You know, I lived a different lifestyle, and you're gonna have to come to class to find that out.